Imagine the aroma of a wood-fired pizza wafting through your backyard, the crust perfectly charred, the cheese bubbling, and your friends and family eagerly gathered around. With this BakerStone Outdoor Pizza Oven 12-inch pizza oven for grill top, this dream becomes reality. This innovative grill-top pizza oven delivers restaurant-quality pizzas in just 2 to 4 minutes, turning your outdoor cooking into an unforgettable experience. Whether you're a pizza enthusiast or a backyard barbecue pro, this oven is your ticket to crispy, blistered crusts and gourmet flavors. Let's dive into why the BakerStone Outdoor Pizza Oven is a game-changer for outdoor cooking and why it deserves a spot in your backyard. Solving common outdoor cooking challenges. Outdoor cooking can be a hassle. Uneven heat, long cooking times, and lackluster results often leave you settling for delivery pizza. The BakerStone Outdoor Pizza Oven solves these problems with its patented 5-sided stone baking chamber, which mimics the intense heat of a traditional wood-fired oven. No more soggy crusts or unevenly cooked toppings. This propane-powered oven heats up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your pizzas cook quickly and evenly, delivering that coveted crispy texture and caramelized flavor. It's also versatile enough to grill vegetables, sear meats, or bake bread, making it a multifunctional powerhouse for any outdoor gathering. Why the BakerStone Outdoor Pizza Oven stands out. The BakerStone Outdoor Pizza Oven isn't just another grill accessory, it's a revolutionary tool that elevates your backyard cooking game. Designed to sit on top of most 3-burner or larger gas grills, this oven transforms your existing setup into a gourmet pizza-making station. Its compact, portable design and included accessories make it a breeze to use, while its high-performance capabilities rival professional pizzerias. Here's a closer look at what makes this oven a must-have. Department. Patented 5-sided stone baking chamber. Unlike standard pizza stones, the BakerStone's unique design surrounds your pizza with heat from all sides, ensuring even cooking and a crispy, blistered crust every time. This innovative chamber replicates the intense heat of a wood-fired oven, reaching temperatures up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit for authentic Neapolitan-style results. Lightning-fast cooking. Preheat the oven in just 10 to 15 minutes and bake pizzas in 2 to 4 minutes. This speed means you can churn out multiple pizzas for parties without keeping guests waiting. User-friendly features. The built-in thermometer lets you monitor temperatures easily, while the included wooden pizza peel and turning peel make sliding pizzas in and out a breeze. No more struggling with awkward tools or burnt crusts. Versatile cooking options. Beyond pizza, this oven excels at grilling vegetables, searing steaks, roasting fish, and even baking cookies. It's a one-stop solution for all your outdoor cooking needs. Portable and easy to clean, the enamel-coated steel shell with handles ensures durability and portability, perfect for backyard barbecues or camping trips. Cleaning is hassle-free, so you can focus on enjoying your meal. Simple assembly. With clear step-by-step instructions, you can assemble the oven in under 30 minutes. Plus, BakerStone's customer support is ready to assist with any missing or damaged parts. Benefits that matter. Pizzeria quality pizza. Enjoy crispy crusts and melty toppings at home. Fast and efficient. Quick preheating and cooking for busy nights. Versatile cooking. Perfect for pizzas, veggies, and meats. Who is the BakerStone Outdoor Pizza Oven perfect for? This pizza oven is designed for anyone who loves outdoor cooking and wants to impress with gourmet results. It's ideal for home cooks and pizza enthusiasts. If you're passionate about crafting Neapolitan-style pizzas with crispy crusts and bold flavors, this oven is your new best friend. Backyard entertainers, perfect for hosting pizza parties, barbecues, or family gatherings. The BakerStone makes you the star of the show with minimal effort. Campers and outdoor adventurers. Its portable design makes it a great companion for camping trips, tailgates, or patio cookouts. Grill owners looking to upgrade. If you already own a 3-burner or larger gas grill, this oven maximizes your grill's potential without requiring a standalone appliance. Why you should buy the BakerStone Outdoor Pizza Oven today. If you've been dreaming of authentic wood-fired style pizzas without the hassle or expense of a built-in oven, the BakerStone Outdoor Pizza Oven is your answer. Its innovative design, ease of use, and versatility make it a must-have for any outdoor cooking enthusiast. Whether you're hosting a backyard pizza party or enjoying a quiet night under the stars, this oven delivers mouth-watering results every time. Don't settle for mediocre pizza or complicated cooking setups. Upgrade your grill and your culinary game with the BakerStone. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.